This may not look like the typical ThredUp box, but it is. It is a ThredUp 15-piece mixed jewelry rescue box that we're going to be opening up today. I'm Kristen with Another Chance Resale, and here are the ordering instructions in case you would like to purchase anything that you see in the video. I will also have everything in the description box, so you can check there as well for the ordering instructions and any further information. So this ThredUp Rescue Box came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. So let's see what we got. It actually came in this nice little sausage, wrapped up all nice. So I did buy this on August 8th. And it is the Rescue Box 15-piece mixed jewelry for $54. However, this now has $10 shipping plus tax. So this brings it to, I think it was like almost 70 something dollars. I'll have to look. It was like 72 or 70 or $72, something like that. So that's a little crazy for only 15 pieces. But hopefully, you know, if they added all this shipping, maybe they kind of upped the quality, maybe, hopefully. All right, so let's push all this over here. And what I'm going to do right off the get is count how many pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so we good. So now let's dive on in. Let me bring you guys down a little closer. So what I'm going to do for this video, I'm going to give you a number, but I'm not going to use the number cards. I'm just going to put the number on here, and I'll put the price on the other side. But what in the heck is this? You guys, is this for real? What is it? It does look like there's a marking on it. Hold on. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see it. PM. But what is it? Is it like broken or bent? Oh gosh. Is it rings? But like, how do you, am I missing something here or what? Maybe I can try to Google lens it. I mean, I'm recording this pretty early in the morning, so I could be just completely not using my brain right now, but all right, so it's earrings. PM, Paula Mendoza. But there's only one. And it's all kinds of messed up. But look, it looks exactly like this with the balls that are graduated. But it is completely bent out of shape, and there's only one. Okay, well, they are going to get an email because this could have been, you know, a very nice, pricey piece. So they're going to get an email about that. And let's hope that the rest of the stuff is in acceptable condition, because that was a real bummer to first start off. All right, so this has a little hang tag with like a gem on it, and it says 925. And this is a moonstone, which is very pretty. It's not really picking up the flash on camera, but I do see it in person, and it's like purple. Let's see if I can, there it is. So this is Rainbow Moonstone, and it is a vermeil. So it's not magnetic, so that's a good sign. Okay, so let's test it. You know what? I'm gonna test this right here. And then we'll try to get the chain. and see what happens. All right, we are positive for sterling. So now I wonder if that has, if this is like a special maker, because I've never seen that maker mark before. But, you know, I'm not really gonna know. So let me see if Google knows. I can't tell. So let's try one other way and just do like overall necklace. No, I'm not really pulling anything up. So that's okay. I'll just give like a generic price and hopefully, you know, it's not some super expensive brand. But if you guys recognize that little hang tag, you can let me know down in the comments. But in the meanwhile, it is sterling. Where did I put my marker? Here it is. So this is number 1, and I will do 20 on that. Okay. It is sterling vermeil. Oh, I didn't measure it. Hold on. Let me measure the length. There are 3 adjustments. So the smallest it can be is a 9.5-inch drop, then 10-inch drop, and then 11-inch drop. Okay, very pretty. All right, so that is number 1, because who knows what happened to that other piece. Okay, we have, ooh, Tory Burch. All right, all right. I will take it. This is super cute. It is like a wide leather cuff. Yeah, well, bracelet. It is brown. You open it like so. Maybe not that side. Let's try the other side. Or maybe it's not supposed to come off and it's just supposed to loosen. You know, take both like this and then get your hand in there. So really cool. Definitely Tory Burch. Beautiful. So to get your hand in, it opens about 7.5 inches. And then fully closed, it is about 6 inches. So it is definitely on the smaller side, but it is in really good condition. So this is number 2, and we will do that for $25. That's awesome. Love it. Okay. Got a little lady in here. All right, let's turn on Pressy because this looks like a stone. So we'll test that. Surprisingly, this wasn't in a big knot. I'm hoping that this is gold because it does kind of look like it. Where's my loop? Oh man, it's only 1/20th. Let's see what the rest of that says. 1/20th, 14 karat gold filled. All right, well, it's still pretty. It's kind of got like a very light pink hue to it. And let's see if it comes up as anything on the Presidium. Glass. But it is very dainty and beautiful. I like this a lot, actually. There is an extender. Without it, it is an 8-inch drop. That is very pretty. I'm going to get a smaller bag for that. So this is number 3, and let's do that for $14. I think that's beautiful. Okay, number 4. We'll look at these. So these just look like an acrylic, like hoop earring with the hook closure. Let's see if the hooks say anything. There's a hair on it, which is kind of gross. Don't see anything there. Don't see anything on that side. Nope. Okay, so these are probably just like a fashion. I mean, they're not magnetic, which is kind of weird. But I don't see any markings, so these are just going to be number 4 at $5. Okay, number 4, $5. Number 5. These look like they could be Lucky Brand. But I don't know. Because I don't see any markings. But we can try a Google image search again. We can hold them like this. Come on. Fetch that picture. Of course, something went wrong. Hold on. Try that again. I'll try not to get my hands in it as much as possible. It's not really going to work. Okay. Yeah, I don't see any that look like this. So they're just going to be like a fashion set. I don't even think that they are going to be, oh wait, look, right there. How did I miss that? If you guys saw that, you were probably screaming at me through the screen. Ay, so sorry. So that says Mexico alpaca. So alpaca is like a mixed metal. It is made up of a few different metals. So that's pretty cool. All right, so let's do measurements. That's 8 inches. All right, I think they're all gonna be 8 inches. Yeah. Yep, all 8 inches. So for the set of 4 alpaca, this is number 5, and we will do them for $10. All right, not bad. Let me move this out of the way a little bit more. So all right, this looks pretty interesting, and I did see a name or something on it right here, Nocturne. So we'll have to look that up, but this looks very pretty. I just hope everything is here. It's a lot to look at, so I think we're good, right guys? And then it has a little, really pretty. Okay, so I think everything is here. It's a beautiful bib necklace. So let's look up Nocturne and see what we can find. So Nocturne bib necklace. Hopefully I'm spelling it right. Let's see. Nocturne, yeah, I think so. Whoa, okay. That's promising. So mine kind of looks like this one, just different colors. Actually, it's this one exactly. Well, almost. It's more than that one. So, oh, it's an Anthropology brand. Okay, so that's good. So it looks like they're selling around the $60 mark. Wow, MSRP of $320. Holy crap. That is nuts. Okay, let's see if what the prices are when they actually have been sold. So it looks like we're sticking around the $60 mark. I'm not going to charge you guys $60. I would probably list it online for around $60. So let's get a measurement on this. And without the extender, it is about an 8¼ inch drop. So like this is going to be a nice collar necklace. That is beautiful, but you can make it a little longer. So this is number 6, and I'll do it for $30. All right, give you guys half price. Otherwise I'd list it online for probably 60, 55 to 60, so I can be competitive online with the other listings. Okay, so that was pretty interesting. Let's see what else we got. These look very pretty. Ooh la la, nice chandelier earrings with some, oh, we're missing a faux pearl. See, this is unacceptable because the mixed jewelry 15-piece is supposed to be the hand-picked, curated box that is of all, you know, wearable pieces. That is not wearable. And neither is this one random messed up earring. So they're going to get, when they get the email about that earring, they're going to get that included in it. So I'm going to put that off to the side. What a crock. And I just ordered another one of these boxes too, which annoys me because if this one is just as bad, you know, the one I just ordered, I'm going to be very upset. So this says A, which I'm not sure what that means, but this definitely looks like it's, it could be a vermeil. Oh, it has little crystals on it. So every other little dangle has crystals on it. So I'm going to attempt to test it. Let me just make sure they're all here. There's 3 crystals in each little dangly bit. Yeah, they're all there, thankfully. So let's test this while we are waiting on the Presidium. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see if that works. Okay, it is not sterling silver. I'm not sure what that A stands for, so if you guys happen to know. And then let's try to get in here. I doubt this is going to be any type of stone, but we can check. Let's see, this is going to be hard. Well, at least they're glass, so that's not bad. So let's see if we can maybe do a Google image search really quickly before I give a measurement and price. Ooh, could this be it? No, 18 karat it says. What the heck? Nope, that's not it. Okay, well, we tried. A few other things are coming up, but nothing looks like that. So, all right, well, it looks like a smaller necklace without using the extender. It's only 12 inches, so yeah, so let me see how long this can actually go. 12 to 15 inches, so it's a smaller necklace. 15 inches is the largest. And let me get a smaller bag for this one. So this is number 7, and we'll do that for $7. How about that? 7 on 7. Dallas, there's nobody here. I'm talking to your fans. All right, so we got these earrings. These look pretty nice. Very pretty. I don't think I see a maker mark, but let's look under the magnifier and see. I don't think that they are gold. I thought maybe Kendra Scott at first, but yeah, I don't see any marks on the ear loopy doopy. Let's check the backs. No markings, but they're not magnetic, so that's also very weird. Okay, well, let's check the stones and see what they are. But I definitely don't think these are gold. They could have like a rhodium plating on them. Come on, Pressy. I should just leave it on for the rest of the video. I just don't like to get it to overheat and then it starts to malfunction. So I would think that these are CZ. They're going right out of the glass line. So, all right, not too bad. So for these lever backs, all the stones are there. Let me get a smaller bag. So this is number 8, and we will do these for $5. Sure, why not? All right, next up we got a big old honker. Oh, wow. All right, so I definitely think that this could be sterling. Oh yeah, it's marked right there, something. Oop, as I throw my loop. Yep, so S925. So, and then we're gonna check the stones, but this is beautiful. So I gotta kind of hold it sideways because it's a little long. So this might be smoky quartz. We're gonna test it. And then you have all of these gorgeous agate slices. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so the chips right here are smoky quartz, and then you have your agate slices. So very beautiful. Let's do a measurement on this guy. It is heavy, so just throwing that out there. It does have some weight to it, and it is a total of 27 inches. So 27 inches total on this beautiful agate slice smoky quartz necklace. And it is number 9. And I will do this one for $20. I love this one. Look at that. Gorgeous. Wear this on a nice hot day and you will be, it'll be like wearing ice cubes around your neck. Awesome. Okay, so here's another little baby something. Little teeny tiny something or another. So these are rhinestone earrings. They're very pretty. I don't think that they are sterling or anything, but they do appear to be new. Okay, not bad. I'll get a smaller bag. Oop, jeez, I'm just knocking stuff all over the place today. So these are number 10, and we will do those for $5. Number 10, $5. Okay, this is number 11. This looks like a necklace. Oops. So this has like silver beads, and then you have the rhinestones. So that's pretty interesting. Let's hope that they're all here. Okay, I think we're good. Now, does it have a mark? I don't think so. Nope, so unbranded, but it is very beautiful. Let me get a total measurement is 16 inches, and it does have a fold over clasp. So very pretty. Let me get it. It does kink, so you want to make sure when you put it on that it's on correctly. So this one is number 11, and we will do that for $8. Okay, $8, 16 inches, number 11. Ooh, those look fun. Wait, did I miscount somewhere? Oh no, because 2 are busted. Okay, so here are super cute martini earrings, all blinged out. Let's see if any of this actually says anything. No. So very cute. Let me see if they are glass. And no maker mark on that one either. But they're not magnetic. That's great. I don't think they're gold. This one looks like it has a rhinestone that's backwards. See that right there? So that might have to be corrected if anybody wants these. I don't know if I'll be able to do that myself. And this one looks fine. You really can't even notice it. It just looks like part of the gold rim. But anyway, they're very cute. Let's get a smaller bag for these. This is number 12. And we'll do those for $5 since you might have to correct that one stone. But they look to be new, so not bad. All right, so this is the last one. This is number 13 because 14 and 15 are duds, and ThredUp is going to get an email right after I finish this video. Okay, so this one just looks like a little fashion necklace. It is gold tone. It has little rhinestones on each of the dangles, so I hope they're all here. Yes, okay, they're all there. Let me see if maybe they are anything in particular. I mean, this is a really dainty necklace. Oh, they actually go up pretty high. Hold on. I think they're CZs. So that's pretty cool. Of course, it's not magnetic again. But I don't see any markings. I mean, we can give it like an S&G. Scratch. And see if anything happens. No. Okay, that's okay. So this one is just a gold tone. Very pretty. It is like a double strand. And I'm going to give you guys the total length measurement. There is an extender. Can go from 12 inches to 14 inches. So that's probably not going to fit anybody unless you have a daughter or niece or cousin or somebody that is, you know, probably under the age of 15. Oh boy, oh boy. All right, let's get a smaller bag for this one as well. And this is lucky number 13, and we will do this one for $8. Okay, $8, number 13. And let's see, I mean, am I going to make my money back on this box? Probably not. Probably not. So, again, let me put the instructions up on the screen. So, please just give me the number associated with each item that you would like. And here's the rest of the instructions. Thank you guys for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. I honestly thought this was a pretty doo-doo box. You know, now with it being about 70 bucks for this box, I am definitely going to reconsider purchasing it, especially after what was in this box. So give me a subscribe right down here if you haven't already. It's free. And thank you again for watching, and we will see you in the next one.